So let's go to the next set of discussion. So what is our main goal? Our main goal is to find motor specification. And you can ask the question, hey, what do you mean by motor specification? In a very simplistic term, the motor specification is nothing but the pair of torque and RPM for motor. For an example, let's say I'm going at the max speed of 110 kmph. So definitely there is going to be the corresponding motor RPM, and then what is torque required to maintain that speed. So this I will get a one set of pair, and similarly I can define the set of pair for all the driving mode. So I would like to pay attention here in this region. So I have defined this region as a motor specification. And if you come to the column U, you can see I have defined this column as a driving mode, and then further I divided into two mode. One is the peak mode and the second is the continuous mode of operation. So just before I told you, we can find the torque and RPM pair for each driving mode. So here let's start from the bottom, the max speed. So at the max speed, what is the motor RPM and the torque? And if we multiply these two, we can get the power of the motor. Similarly, we can find at the rated mode the torque and the RPM pair. What is the rated mode? When we are going on a continuous inclined road whose inclination is 5 degree at some constant speed, for example 60 kmph or 70 kmph, then we can find the corresponding torque and the RPM pair. So that is what we are going to do it.